All right, so if you're a content creator juggling ideas, scripts, and presentations, yeah, that can get overwhelming fast. In this video, I'll show you how to automate your entire content workflow using Gamma AI. First, quick idea. With Gamma, you can automate ideas, scripts, presentations, and even content planning. Start with ideas. Let Gamma generate topics based on your niche. Prompt, generate content ideas for my niche with engaging and trending topics. Next, turn those ideas into scripts automatically. Prompt, create a short-form video script with intro, value, and call to action. Now, convert scripts into presentations. Prompt, turn this script into a clean presentation with clear sections and visuals. Create multiple pieces of content at once, instead of one by one. Generate several scripts or presentations in a single workflow. Keep everything organized. Use sections or separate pages for each content piece. Save your prompts and formats as templates so you can automate future content easily. Improve your content by refining scripts, slides, and ideas with AI. Once automated, you can create more content in less time. So yeah, using Gamma like this turns your content creation into a smooth, automated system. And if this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, more AI creator guides coming soon.